Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to Spoken English Achievers. Today's very easy sentences are ready. Let's get into the video without wasting our time. நான் பசியாக இருந்தேன். I was hungry. I was hungry. அவள் சோர்வாக இருந்தாள். She was tired. She was tired. நாங்கள் கோபமாக இருந்தோம். We were angry. We were angry. நான் தூங்கிக் கொண்டிருந்தேன். I was asleep. I was asleep. நான் 1990 பிறந்தேன். I was born in 1990. I was born in 1990. அவள் குழம்பிப் போயிருந்தாள். She was confused. She was confused. நான் சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தேன். I was happy. I was happy. நான் விடுப்பில் இருந்தேன். I was on leave. I was on leave. அவள் உற்சாகமாக இருந்தாள். She was excited. She was excited. அவள் தயாராக இருந்தாள். She was ready. She was ready. அவள் உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் இருந்தாள். She was sick. She was sick. அவன் அமைதியாக இருந்தான். He was silent. He was silent. அவள் அழகாக இருந்தாள். She was beautiful. She was beautiful. அவன் வேலையாக இருந்தான். He was busy. He was busy. அவன் உயரமாக இருந்தான். He was tall. He was tall. அவன் அழகாக இருந்தான். He was handsome. He was handsome. அது புதிதாக இருந்தது. It was new. It was new. அது கனமாக இருந்தது. It was heavy. It was heavy. அது சுவையாக இருந்தது. It was delicious. It was delicious. அது மென்மையாக இருந்தது. It was soft. It was soft. அவள் தைரியமாக இருந்தாள். She was brave. She was brave. அவள் தைரியமாக இருந்தாள். She was bold. She was bold. அவன் கோழையாக இருந்தான். He was covered. He was covered. அவன் சுறுசுறுப்பாக இருந்தான். He was active. He was active. அவள் அறிவாளியாக இருந்தாள். She was intelligent. She was intelligent. அது அருமையாக இருந்தது. It was wonderful. It was wonderful. இது சுத்தமாக இருந்தது. It was clean. It was clean. அவன் நல்லவனாக இருந்தான். He was good. He was good. அவள் கெட்டவளாக இருந்தாள். She was bad. She was bad. அவன் தந்திரமானவனாக இருந்தான். He was cunning. He was cunning. இது எதிர்பாராதது. It was unexpected. It was unexpected. இது அழுகி போய்விட்டது. It was rotten. It was rotten. அது கெட்டுவிட்டது. It was spoiled. It was spoiled. அது உடைந்து விட்டது. It was broken. It was broken. அவர் மிகவும் தெளிவாக இருந்தார். He was very clear. He was very clear. அவள் நட்பாக இருந்தாள். She was friendly. She was friendly. அது பயங்கரமாக இருந்தது. It was terrible. It was terrible. அது பயங்கரமாக இருந்தது. It was dreadful. It was dreadful. அவள் கவனக்குறைவாக இருந்தாள். She was careless. She was careless. அவள் கவனமாக இருந்தாள். She was careful. She was careful. அவள் பரிதாபமாக இருந்தாள். She was miserable. She was miserable. அவள் சோகமாக இருந்தாள். She was sorrowful. She was sorrowful. அவள் மனசோர்வடைந்தாள். She was depressed. She was depressed. My dears, thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and practicing something every day. Definitely, it will take you to the next level. Believe in yourself. I have given a few questions to translate. You just try to answer it. Thank you for watching this video.